Hello students, in this video we will be learning the topic is structure of functional group, okay, that is of class 12th chemistry, and the chapter name is alcohols, phenols and ether. So let's get started. As we all know that alcohol is like ROH and phenol is like the benzene ring and on which the hydroxyl group is attached, okay, and in the case of ether it is like ROR. Now we would talk about this functional groups structure. So first we would start with alcohol. So R means here alkyl group, so it would be written like this, okay. So H3C and then O and then this is H. So the lone pairs are 2 here on the oxygen atom. This would be the bond angle, okay. These are lone pairs, and because these have 2 lone pairs and 2 bond angles, so with the help of steric number we would get the hybridization. So steric number is denoted by capital Z, and it would be lone pairs, number of lone pairs plus number of bond pairs, okay. So lone pairs are 2 and bond pairs are 2 here, so it would be 4. In the case of 4, the hybridization would be sp3 hybridization, okay. sp3 hybridization means the geometry would be tetrahedral, okay. So it would be tetrahedral, and the bond angle in the case of carbon oxygen, the bond length would be 142 picometer usually, and the bond angle in the case of sp3 hybridization here is the usual bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, okay. So 109 degree 28 minutes. But in the case of this alcohol, this bond angle is 108 degree and 9 minutes, which is slightly less than this usual bond angle. What is the reason behind it? Because it has 2 lone pairs, and lone pairs have repulsion between each other, okay, repulsion between them. So they will repel each other, and because they will repel, that means they will go far away to each other, and that will affect on this bond angle, because if they will goes away, then this bond angle will go closer, okay. So that is why it is slightly less than the usual number. It would be 108 degree 9 minutes, okay. So we have discussed about the bond angle and the hybridization, the geometry of this compound. The bond length in this case would be the same, 142 picometer, okay. Now let's talk about the phenol. So phenol's structure is like this. It has a bulky compound, okay, the bulky group, that is benzene, and this is oxygen here, and this is hydrogen. It has 2 lone pairs here. So here in the case of its bond angle, it would be same like 109 degree, okay. It's approximately same because it has a bulky ring here, okay, and its bond length would be 136 picometer, okay. So what is the reason behind it? Because it has ring and this lone pair on the region, on this region, because it shows the resonance, and because of the resonance it has a partial bond here, okay. That is why it would be a very strong bond in comparison to the alcohol and ester, okay. So the bond length would be 136 picometer, and the bond angle is approximately same than usual bond angle, because it has a bulky ring on one side, okay. So on the basis of bulky ring, the repulsion would not be more than it, because this bulky ring also has a repulsion with this atom. Okay. So now in the case of ester, the structure is like this. Okay, so here the bond angle is 111 degree 7 minutes. Okay, 111 degree 7 minutes, and the bond length is 141, which is approximately same. So that is not the topic to discuss about. So this is the bond angle, which is slightly more than the usual bond angle. It is due to it has the bulky rings, sorry, the bulky compounds, the bulky groups on both the sides. Okay, so because it has lone pairs on it, two lone pairs on it, it has the repulsion between each other, but it will not be more than the repulsion between these bulky substance, the bulky compounds, the bulky groups H3C, CH3. Okay, so and we must note that the repulsion between lone pair is maximum than lone pair bond pair, and it is minimum in the bond pair. So in this case, the repulsion of lone pair, there is a repulsion between lone pair, it is maximum. That is why it will be slightly less than, the bond angle will be slightly less than the usual. And in the case of phenol, because it has a bulky ring, that is why the bond angle would be approximately same. And here, because on the both sides it has two bulky rings, so the repulsion between two bulky rings are maximum than the repulsion between the lone pairs. Okay, that is why it is slightly more than the usual bond angle, which is of 109 degree 28 minutes. So I hope it's clear the structure of functional groups. Thank you.